Hello class, my name is Tyler Campbell, and this is my introduction video. So I'm just going to jump right into the questions. It says, reflect upon your education and your own feelings that are especially relevant to you as a lifelong learner and tell us why. Well, so my dream is to become ultimately a software engineer. That's why I'm currently pursuing my degree in computer programming technology at Southwestern College. And ultimately, I think programmers have to be curious about the world around them, since programs and systems are really applied to every possible area of life. And in the programming world, I guess developers have to be open-minded to new ideas because of the rapid change of technology. It's a must to have a passion to keep learning all the latest developments. Let's see, what's the next one? Include your goals for the future. Well, for the future, I'm planning on taking a break for a little while after I get my degree, and then eventually I would like to work towards my master's degree. And sadly, I'm eventually going to separate from the Air Force, and so that's why I'm pursuing this degree. But this is what intrigues me, and it's what challenges me, and it's what I'm passionate about. So I'm, glad to go towards this in the future. Are these related to your academic plans? I say yeah, because my bachelor's degree is going to help me to get my dream job as a software engineer. I think so. And it's going to help better prepare me towards getting my master's degree. I'm going to have that background information already. And then what resources did I find helpful at the career services link, and would I recommend them to your team members in preparation for their careers? So the ones I found helpful, I liked the military transition resource. I'm eventually planning on leaving the military to pursue my dreams in the civilian sector, and so I thought that was a really good resource for people like myself who are planning on leaving. Let's see. Oh, an interviewing and negotiations resource. That one was really good. This will especially help people like myself acquire the skills to perform well in an interview, since I plan to try and land a civilian job. I'm going to have to be going to interviews, and this will be a really good resource for that. And lastly, I like the job search resource, just in case things don't work out with the job I'm currently trying to go for. It's a resource I have to help me easily navigate the internet for like another job if that's what ends up happening. And I would definitely recommend these resources to others for those same exact reasons. I think they're really good resources overall. And do you think the Knox link will help you network with your chosen field? I think so, because computer programmers these days seem to come a dime a dozen. So I definitely think it helps. This specifically the networking with the Knox link would help you stand out and get your name out there to help you get a job. But anyway, that's it. I don't want to go over. Oh, I've already gone over 3 minutes, but that's really all I have to say. Thanks for watching, and nice to meet you all.